Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Amazon DynamoDB, a fully managed SQL database service provided by AWS. Whether you are building a small app or scaling a massive enterprise system, DynamoDB is designed to handle it all with high performance and seamless scalability. In this video, we'll cover what DynamoDB is and why it's so popular, its key feature and use cases, and finally a hands-on demo where we will create a table, insert data and query it. So let's get started. What is DynamoDB? DynamoDB is a NoSQL database, which means it doesn't use the traditional table relationship you will find in SQL database like MySQL or PostgreSQL. Instead, it's a key value and document database that delivers single-digit millisecond performance at any scale. It's fully managed, so you don't have to worry about provisioning server, patching software, or handling backups. AWS will take care of all that for you. DynamoDB is used by companies like Netflix, Airbnb to handle massive amount of data and traffic. It's perfect for applications that need low latency data access such as gaming, IoT, and real-time analytics. Key features of DynamoDB. Let's talk about some of the key features that make DynamoDB stand out. Serverless, no servers to manage. You just create table and start using them. Scalability. DynamoDB automatically scales to handle millions of requests per second. Performance, single digit millisecond latency for reads and writes. Flexible data model supports key value and document data structure. Global table enables multi-region replication for disaster recovery and low latency access. Durability and accessibility. Data is replicated across multiple availability zones for high availability. These features make DynamoDB a great choice for modern applications that need a scale quickly and handle large amount of data. Now let's jump into a quick demo to see DynamoDB in action. I will show you how to create a table, insert data into the table, query the data. Already I'm in on AWS console, DynamoDB. So let's hit the create table and we'll create a users table. So give the table name as users and partition key. Can take it as primary key as user ID, and we'll make it as a number, and rest all the settings I'm keeping default and hit create table. So now as you can see a users table was created successfully. So once it is created, so we'll hit users and it is created. In actions we'll go and create item. So user ID, so I'll give user ID as 1. Add attribute, so we'll add a name attribute and name as John Dow, and another attribute string only for email John Dow at gmail.com, and the next attribute I'll add a number, age, and I'll give value as 25 and create item. So now it is fetching items. So once the item is created, we'll query that item and see we are able to query that item or not. So as you can see here, our item is here. So let's query it. So here scan and filter. Say let's give filter as age, and if you remember, age we had created as number. So number equal to we have given 25. So it fetches. And if say we have given 24, where find out all the items where age number is equal to 24. So as you can see, there is no item. So that's it. So and that's a wrap on our introduction to Amazon DB. We covered what DynamoDB is, its key feature, and even a quick demo. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorial. And let me know your comments what you would like to see next, more DynamoDB deep dive or maybe another AWS survey. So thank you.